Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my Gel X nails fill in. So as you can see, they look like this. Very pretty, very classy and natural. So if you guys want to see how I did these, then keep on watching. Give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel for more nail and beauty content. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here are my nails that I have done previously. So these are about, I think, 4-week retention. So I'm kind of just pointing to that so you can see what they look like after 4 weeks. Some of the nails did pop off, so I do have 2 that fell off. But what I am going to start doing is I'm going to start filing off the nail color and also the top coat to get rid of that shine using one of my carbide bits here. And any product that I'm using, I'm also going to link down below so you guys can check those out. But basically, I'm trying to get rid of the shine that's on the nail. That way it's a lot easier to soak off the nail with acetone. But in this case, we're not going to be soaking off all the nails. I am going to be filling them in. So we're doing like a Gel X nail fill-in, and the other 2 nails that are missing, I am going to be applying them as you normally would. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do both of those. So as you can see right now, I got rid of all the color on that nail and they're ready to go for prepping. And on this side here, I am trying to get rid of that bow, but it was really hard to come off, so I decided to soak off the entire nail. And as you can see, compared to the right hand, those ones have no nails, so I am going to have to apply some new ones. But for the other side, my left hand, I'm going to be filling them in. So I'm going to start by doing regular prep here, and I'm going to be cleaning up the cuticles. And this is just showing you guys now on the right hand, I have applied my gel nail glue, and I'm going to be applying the gel tips. And that's the nail lamp that I'm using. I'm also going to be using a flash curing lamp that you're also going to need. So now, using the Beetles gel nail glue, I'm going to be applying a generous amount to the nail, and you don't want to apply too much. It's really important that the gel glue does not seep over to your sidewalls of the nail and go onto your skin. And I'm going to be applying that at a 45-degree angle and flash curing for about 15 seconds. Okay, so now I have them ready to go. So on the right hand, you can see the nails have been applied, and on the left side, they're also ready to go. And I did actually have dinner, so unfortunately, the nail got stained by some pink pickles. So anyways, moving on, I'm gonna just get rid of those little plastic tips at the end of the nails with my sanding band here. And now I'm going to be sealing the cuticle, which is a really important step. So I'm using the sanding band here, and I'm going to seal the cuticle to make sure the plastic can blend seamlessly within the nail. And taking a flat nail brush, I'm going to dip it into some acetone and also seal the cuticle there. Again, this is really important because it melts the plastic into the nail, which allows the finish of your nails to look more natural and also for them to last a lot longer. Now I am buffing my nail with a regular buffer block, getting rid of all the shine that's on the nails and just prepping the nails for gel application. Now I'm taking my nail prep dehydrator and I'm applying that to the nail bed where you can see there is no gel tip on it. So because there is my natural nail there, I'm trying to dehydrate it and get rid of any oils. So that's what I'm doing on the side that already has the gel tips. And I'm going to be going in with some primer as well, some nail primer. This is also going to help the gel color and gel base adhere to the nail better, because remember, on this side we're going to be filling them in, so we are going to have to use a rubber base or a builder gel to build structure to the nail. For the rubber base, I'm going to be using that brand there, and I'm going to link it down below. But basically, we're kind of doing like a structured mani here. So you're going to have to get like a really big blob of polish onto the brush, and you want to basically build structure to the nail. So as you can see, I start like that, little like circular motions, and then I just essentially bring the polish down the nail. And then with fixing it, you can use a liner brush, which I will show during this video, to fix the nail and make sure the base of it looks smooth and there's no bumps. So now I'm taking the liner brush here and I'm fixing the gel on the nail, just making sure that's not bumpy or anything, and I'm flash curing in between for a little bit just to make sure the rubber base does not move around. And just the same thing again, starting at the apex of the nail and working my way down. So now the nails have been prepped and ready to go. I'm going to be using one of my Beetles gel color polish here. It's like a very nice sheer pink. And I'm just going to be painting my nails using 2 coats, and in between each coat I'm going to cure my hand for 60 seconds. Now I am taking the Beetles top coat color and I'm applying that to all the nails, and I'm going to cure again for 60 seconds. So this is the final look. I really liked how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and once again, thank you for watching. Bye for now.